DEKRA is known worldwide for the highest standards of quality, the level of expertise of its employees, and the fact that once DEKRA places its name on a product, be it a roadworthy or safety certificate or condition report, the DEKRA name is completely trusted. A proactive approach to a trouble-free road trip starts with the vehicle safety check. It is quick and thorough and can even be done the same day. A safety check covers 21 safety items on your car and is undertaken by a qualified vehicle examiner. It is easy on your pocket and big on safety. A DEKRA Safety Check is especially useful before embarking on a long trip. Plus, it is also not uncommon for people to travel in excess of 150 kilometers or more a day, thus placing excessive maintenance requirements on vehicles. Identifying aspects that are in need of maintenance on your vehicle may not always be as easy as it seems. A quick review of the state of your tires and wiper blades is essential, but the mechanical aspects of a vehicle, such as the state of your brakes, steering mechanisms, shocks, and any aspects relating to optimizing the function of your car engine is often harder to gauge. At DEKRA, we believe the knowledge and awareness provided through our products helps to build safety for motorists and the community, and above all, the preservation of human life through the delivery of quality products. Visit www.dekraauto.co.za to find the closest DEKRA test center in over 40 locations nationwide. #Get a DEKRA report.